Hi, good morning. This is your DJ from Saudi Arabia from 101.9 FM Saudi Arabia. Here's your requested song, ma'am. I'm sorry, ngayon lang nakanta. Banat. She knows when I'm lonesome. She cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good times. She's down in the bad.
Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you.
I can tell her my true hearts. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night.
We can talk of tomorrow. I'll tell her things that I want to do. But girl, how can I tell her about you?
How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you?
How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I see it's you I think of every single night and day?
But when is it easy telling someone what true? Oh girl, help me tell her about you. Oh come on. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do.
Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you?
Once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Sa mga nagre-request dyan. Minsan, pasensya po, hindi ko nakanta. Minsan, busy. Enjoy lang po. Salamat. Maraming salamat po.